Hey, good morning, folks. It's Joel Terrell with Bell Mortgage, and today is Tuesday, August 19th. I want to keep you up to speed on what's happening in the mortgage market. Also, touch a little bit on a couple of other issues. Number one, bonds are flat this morning. That's a surprise after we saw the PPI report, the Producer Price Index, and the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index, come out higher than expectations. Now, these are the highest consumer price indexes and producer price indexes that we've seen in over 27 years. These are the index that measure inflation, and of course, inflation, is the arch enemy of interest rates. However, a lot of that has to do with, and the reason we're not seeing mortgage bonds react as much is because a lot of that comes from the July oil prices, July having the highest oil prices on record, $147 a barrel, now down to about $112 and change a barrel. So we're not seeing mortgage bonds affected as much by that, which is keeping interest rates down, which is a good thing. If you have a loan in process today with a mortgage company or in a position to lock that interest rate, probably let you make a recommendation to float it, see what happens. We are going to keep a close eye on it though throughout the day, as we do have the one of the Federal Reserve chairmen talking this afternoon, and his comments may influence the market in some way. But we'll keep an eye on that for you right now. The other thing I want to talk about too is the Nehemiah and Ameridream, or the down payment assistance programs that are going to be halting effective October 1st. If you have a buyer that is in the process of looking for property that is going to be using the down payment assistance program, seller paid down payment assistance program, please take a look at getting them out and looking at some property, as these are going to go away September 30th. We already are seeing some investors, some mortgage purchasers, Chase, TBW, First Horizon, to mention some of the companies that have already pulled out, are not allowing any more locks on these DPA programs, even though the cutoff date is September 30th, October being the deadline for that. So be prepared to get those customers out there, start looking at properties, because this is going to go away. There is a bill that's being backed right now, Bill 6651, to reverse that. There has been some support for it. However, it's not something that we're going to see probably this year signed into law, reversing the down payment assistance program for whatever that may be. We're not sure what that's going to be, but be aware that is going to be going away. There are a lot of investors that are all right now have eliminated the ability to lock your rate even on that DPA program. So keep an eye on that. Get those customers out there so we can have a good September. I hope you're having a great day. Again, mortgage bonds flat today. We'll keep an eye on them, but right now we're going to make a recommendation to float your interest rate and see what happens. Take care. Have a great day.